The top is cut down with the 1.5 guard. Next, debulk on the sides with the number 2 guard. Come up under the number 2 guard with the 1.5 guard. Make a bald guideline with the trimmer. Next, with the lever fully open, make another guideline. Fully close the lever and gradually open it as you blend up. With the number 1 guard, start with the lever fully open, and you're using the right side of the blade. Next, come up under that with the lever fully closed. Then blend in between the one open and the one closed with the lever halfway open. Come up under the 1 guard closed with the half guard halfway open. And then close the lever. Lastly, use the corner of the blade to eliminate any dark spots that you may see in the taper. For the neck taper, repeat the exact same thing that you just did. Start with the lever fully closed and gradually open the lever until you blend up into that guideline. Next, debulk with the 1.5 guard. Now I take the number 1 guard, and the steps with this guard are lever open, lever closed, and then blend in between with the lever halfway open. Come up under the number 1 guard closed with the half guard with the lever halfway open. Now close the lever and blend up under that. Lastly, we'll put the icing on the cake with the line up. Remember to keep everything natural and use the corner of your blade. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.